up? Welcome back to the channel. Y'all came back. You came back, bitch. Welcome back to my channel. Let me start back. Welcome back to my channel, y'all. Today I'm doing some stewed chicken and potatoes. I wasn't gonna do no video on this, but I said, hey, what the hell? Let's just do a video. I'm gonna show y'all how I get started on my stew. I'm gonna tell y'all about how I do it. See, cause I don't like, I boil around no seasoning, and then I will season. I'm gonna show y'all how I do my chicken though. Hold on. I don't know how I got this thing. Okay, so hopefully y'all can see me. Okay, so I boiled my chicken already. I usually I'm gonna cut up some onion in here. So I'm gonna cut up 1 onion. And y'all know my little melody that I like to use. Whoa. You can't be doing it there. Boom. Hopefully y'all can see me. I got my seasoning stuff over here. Y'all don't mind my junk. Don't mind my junk because I've been clean. So we're gonna do, let me show y'all my chicken too. I had to turn that water down because I might need to turn it up a little bit more. I'm gonna show y'all the first beginning. I'm doing 1 onion, 1 whole onion. Hopefully y'all can see me. I'm ugly anyway. So we're gonna do, this how I do my stewed chicken, y'all. I'm gonna drop this 1 onion in here. I just cut it in slices, it don't really matter. Take the little edges off. I just want the onion in my water. It don't even matter how I get in there, honey. Just get it in there. Get all my junk. My kitchen is a mess today, y'all. Do not come for me. Cause my kitchen stay clean. It ain't clean day, cause I ain't clean. Okay, so I'm gonna season my water. Of course, y'all know I got some accent. It goes first. Black pepper, of course. No, I don't want to season it too much because I got seasoning in my flour. So I'm gonna do a little chicken seasoning. Just a tap. I don't want to overdo it. I'm gonna do some of this, y'all know my favorite, Sazon tomato seasoning, a little lemon pepper. I don't use but a little of this because it's kind of sweet tasting, but I like the lemon in it. So just a tap. I'm gonna do a little bit of adobo. A little adobo seasoning. It's kind of salty, so I don't use a lot of adobo. Well, you know, just to give it a little seasoning. And then I'm gonna use one of my chicken bouillon cubes that I like to use, and a little mixed veggies. Just a sprinkle in there like that. My bouillon cube. I'm trying to go fast because I ain't got no lot of storage in my phone. So just 1 bouillon cube. Now, as y'all can see, I'm gonna let that come back to a little boil. It's already boiling. This is my seasoned flour right here. I got some seasoned flour that I already seasoned. Now I'm gonna I had boiled my chicken. So you see, it's been pre-boiled like a little bit. It's a little red, but for the most part, I boiled it for like 15 minutes. That's what I do. And then I'm gonna take that. I wash it off too. So I wash all the impurities off. And then I go boom into the flour like that. This is how I do it. Into my flour, cover it with flour, and shake it, and then I drop it into my water. Just like that. And I'm gonna continue to do this for all my pieces of chicken. And this is how I do my stewed chicken. That's it. You just drop 1 piece in at a time. And you continue to do that. And once it finishes cooking, you're gonna have some good stewed chicken. I'm gonna add my potatoes to it in a minute. I'll show y'all that part too. So, yep, this is how I do it. So I got a little red in there, but not a lot. I just like to boil most of the blood out of my chicken because I don't like any of my juice. Because I like to drink my juice out of my stewed chicken, and I don't be wanting no blood up in there. So yeah, this is how you do it, y'all. You just dredge it in flour. And you drop it in your hot water. It's not gonna do nothing, not too thick. You know, it ain't gonna get too thick. You just gotta watch it. Got to watch it. There it is. So I'm gonna get all these pieces in here, and I will be back to show y'all when I add the potatoes. Or I'll show y'all halfway through, because I'm gonna add my my celery and you know, my medley that I use. I'm gonna add it in here too. So I'll be back. All right, I'm gonna give y'all a better look at how it looks. So I'm adding 1 cup of water to this because I got a lot of chicken. And so I'm gonna add this in. I got a few more pieces of chicken that I had needed to add in there. I have a big family, y'all, so I have to cook for my babies. And I'll be wanting them to be full and well fed. Even though they almost grown on me, they still my babies. So yeah, that's how we get, package. Okay, we're gonna get this over here. Okay. So we're gonna push this on down in here and let that cook. It's gonna boil. It might overflow. It shouldn't though. So I'm not gonna add the veggies that I usually add, like my celery. I'm not gonna add that in there. I'm just gonna leave it at the onions. And I'm gonna let this come to a boil, y'all. And this is my stewed chicken. I'm gonna show y'all when it finished so y'all can see how good it looks when it's done and when I add the potatoes and all that. So I'll be back, y'all. So if y'all know me, y'all know I had to add at least a few more peppers in there. I needed some bell pepper. So I added 1 bell pepper. So that's it. You can add 1 bell pepper to yours too. I'm telling you, it's gonna change the flavor tremendously. So add you a bell pepper, just 1 green bell pepper. That's all I did. All right, y'all. Y'all see how thick the gravy has gotten? It's almost done. Probably about another 20 minutes. I'm gonna let it go for about 20 more minutes. And it should be ready. So I took my, let me show you. So I took most of my juice off the top of this chicken and I put it over here. So I got a lot of this stock. And that's gonna be for my potatoes, so it can taste the same as, you know, my chicken, because I usually do it in 1 pot, but this pot was not big enough for the amount of chicken that I was cooking today. So I had to do 2 pots. 1 for my chicken and the other one is for my potatoes. So I'll show y'all when I add them into the pot. So about 20-30 minutes. I think I'm gonna let it go 30 minutes, so about the same amount of time as the potatoes. 30 minutes. So, and then everything will be done. And I will show y'all exactly what it look like. Tastes good. It's my stewed chicken, y'all. It's my stewed chicken. Alright, so I got all my potatoes cleaned. I'm about to drain these and put them into my stock. I'll show y'all that in just a second. Drain my potatoes now. Okay, so this is boiling. We're gonna just add the potatoes in there, and I'm gonna crank it up just a little to get it started. So yeah, I'm gonna crank that up so all those same flavors that the chicken got gonna be in these potatoes. So boom, 30 minutes, and we ready to eat. 30 minutes, y'all. Don't they look good? Don't that look good? Look at that gravy. So yeah, 30 minutes, y'all. I'll be back to show y'all what it look like. All right. So it is all done, y'all. I have turned my eye off. Chicken is all the way done. Some of it has fallen apart. So that's done. I'm gonna show y'all my potatoes. Those are the potatoes. So we got stewed chicken and stewed potatoes. They are all the way done. I just tasted one, so they're good, y'all. These are very good. I taste a little gravy, so now I'm about to get a taste test of the chicken with the potato. So let's see how it tastes, y'all. So when I get my chicken out, I like to use a scoop or a spoon. So I'm gonna get some of that. I'm actually gonna put my potatoes on the bottom. I'm gonna take some potatoes first. Ooh, I'm dripping stuff. We're gonna take some potatoes. Just not a lot. So we're gonna take some potatoes first. And then I'm gonna get some of that thigh meat. Put it right on top. And I want a chicken leg. And I want a chicken leg. And we're gonna take one of them chicken legs. Right like that. A little of that gravy. Gonna go right over the top. And then I like to add my hot sauce. Move this out the way. I like to add my hot sauce. Like to add my hot sauce. I usually eat Louisiana hot sauce, y'all. But the store that I was shopping in didn't have no Louisiana hot sauce. So this is what we had to settle for. So let's taste it. Here it is, y'all. Little bell pepper, little potato, little chicken. Got the little gravy on there. Oh my God. Y'all should be here right now. See, you see what I'm saying? Follow this recipe. Follow this recipe. Follow my recipes. You guys get some good eating. Trying to told you. Ooh. Comfort. Oh, on a winter day? So good on a winter day. I need to add some more hot sauce. It's so good, y'all. Thank y'all for watching this video. I'm not gonna go too much longer. I love you guys. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Try this with your family. It's bomb. I'll see y'all in the next one. Love you guys.